So you're walking into a coffee shop in the summertime. There's an iced latte, there's an iced cappuccino on the menu. What's the difference?
They're very similar beverages to their hot counterpart. And it really comes down to the ratio of espresso to milk and how you want the flavor to taste. So an iced latte starts out with about 2 ounces of espresso and then about 10 ounces or so of milk. Put that over ice and delicious.
And then iced cappuccino, it's going to be the same amount of espresso, but then about 3 to 5 ounces of milk or milk alternative, and you put that over ice. So it's really just dependent on the flavor concentration of coffee that you want.
I like the iced cappuccino a lot because I like my drinks to taste a little bit more coffee forward, a little more espresso forward, whereas an iced latte is going to be more creamy and a little bit more milk forward. And then you can add a little bit of sweetener if you want, whether it be simple syrup. We have a really good lavender latte, and during the summertime we have a coconut syrup that is amazing.
Really amazing.